Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. You can see here it's a nice canvas. This is a DIY homemade canvas, a broken piece of wood, and you can see on the side it has different irregular shapes. So in this wood canvas, I just put some color on the top and just using it as a painting canvas to draw a scenery. That's my primary target. So let's see what we can do with this canvas. So primarily I'm using this brush, and then I'm going to take some colors and put it here. So these color variations just defines the different types of painting pattern. So here in this point is going to be a landscape, some land area. So for that purpose, let's take some colors to put the land in here. So it's like an island. You can see I'm putting some colors. Painting is going to be visualized after the full effect. Okay. So the main thing is that for the land area you have to use certain types of colors just to define it. And also you can see some reflections on the water. So let's see. So this is the the basic land area. Then we are going to draw the the rooftop of the house, which is we are going to draw here. So this is going to be the pitched roof. You can see the inclined portion, and the inclined portion this way. Okay, so this is going to be the other part, and one part is here. Then you can see like this one. So after the inclined portion, then you can see some top portion like this one, the vertical elements here. Awesome. So that's the basic shape of a house. So we're just putting the strong color to the border just to see the main main roof appearance of the house, you can say here. Okay, and taking more color, putting it here. All right, so you can see it's here. All right. Okay, so some other colors we're just putting on the side, and for the greeneries in the landscapes, we can just put some green color here on top of the land area just to show that the greeneries are present in these landscapes. Okay, so more green areas here, and just you can do something like this one. So these are defining the grasses, and the some plants, smaller plants on the greeneries which is present. So these are the simple tricks you can use while drawing the houses. Some reflections you can see on the water like this one. Reflections. So usually because of the wave patterns, the reflections are seen like in irregular shapes. Okay. Now we are going to take another color tools and putting the doors and windows here. So in this side here you can see the doors in one side. Okay, and windows on the other side. Okay, and again putting the more color for the reflections. Awesome. So scenery is getting visualized very nicely. Okay, for the trees on top of the house, we're just uh, going to draw a branch. You can see the organic shapes of the trees here. And at the bottom there's some irregular organic shapes. Okay, and on top of it we're going to put more colors. Let's put some dots with the green colors for the tree formations. So you can see the tree here. For the colorful springtime we are going to put more, you can see, like these types of pink color. Okay, so here the sky is a little bit darker. Putting the nice colors for the trees, and also same color you can see the reflections on the water with few drops. So this is the one point for the landscapes. We are going to put little bit greeneries on the side too. Let's see, greeneries here on the side. Okay. And another landscape we are going to put it here. So let's take the color for that one, but before that here we're going to have another land area, so we're going to put color here later. So for this landscape here we're just you can see the extensions of the land extensions here, and here you can see the uprise of the land area over the water level, and some reflections you can see like this one. I'm just putting few dots or lines. On top of it you can see some greeneries again like the previous one. From those greeneries you can see some trees just taller, and here also we are putting some greens too for the other land areas. And from those trees you can see the colorful, you can see the springtime trees of the lots of nice colored petals, colored leaves. Looks good. And also you can see the reflections on the water here like this one. So when you do the painting we just work at a time on different canvas positions, and on the different locations, one here, just to fill up the requirement. So to provide the basic area and the basic appearance of the land here, we're just using some white colors. Then later we're going to draw like this. This is how you can see that land is present here. Otherwise it was pretty much darker, so it was very hard to find the land here. Taking the pink color on the top. Later we're going to mix up the pink with the white color so that it looks good. So different types of trees you can see here in this location. Awesome. So the painting is almost to an end. I'm not taking much longer time, so this is already 10 minutes here. For the final level, I'm going to put some clouds over here, so that's why just taking different types of brush tools and taking the white color, you can see putting the clouds on the top, just putting some colors here and just mixing it up like the clouds. Awesome. And for the darker appearance, just mixing up little bit pink color, so it's kind of pink cloud mixing with the white shape, so that's a different type of imagination. Usually clouds are blue or the darker. So this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned, see you in our next videos. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on, and you can see the painting is very easy. Stay with us, stay tuned. If you like to know more, you can browse through the playlist. Please go to the playlist and browse through different categories. We have thousands of drawings there, and see you again. Have a good day.